Imagine this. Tomorrow morning, you wake up and your job is gone. Not because you were fired, not because the company failed, but because a software does your work faster, cheaper, and better than you. So tell me, is AI taking our jobs, or are we becoming replaceable? Don't skip this video, because what you understand in the next 3 minutes might decide your future. Part 1. The fear. Right now, AI writes articles. AI creates logos. AI edits videos. AI builds websites. AI even writes code. One person using AI can now do the work of 5. Companies are reducing teams. Automation is increasing, and people are scared. Will I lose my job? Is my career finished? But here's something interesting. This fear is not new. Part 2. History lesson. When machines entered factories during the Industrial Revolution, people thought human labor was over. When computers arrived, clerks believed they were finished. When the internet exploded, people said physical stores would disappear forever. But what actually happened? Jobs didn't vanish, they evolved. Writers became digital marketers. Shop owners became e-commerce sellers. Photographers became content creators. Technology never destroys work, it transforms it. And AI is doing the same thing. Part 3. The brutal truth. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI will not replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI will. In the future, there will only be 2 types of people: those who fear AI and those who leverage AI. The editor who uses AI finishes projects 5 times faster. The marketer who uses AI launches campaigns in hours. The entrepreneur who uses AI builds systems, not just income. AI does not make humans useless. It makes average effort useless. And that is the difference. Part 4. AI is just a tool. A hammer can build a house, or it can sit unused in a toolbox. The tool is not the threat. The mindset is. 5 years from now, you won't regret that AI exists. You'll regret not learning it sooner. So stop asking, is AI taking my job? Start asking, how can AI multiply my value? Because the future does not belong to the strongest. It belongs to the most adaptable. And remember this, AI will not replace humans. Humans who use AI will replace those who don't. If this video made you think, then don't ignore what's coming. The future is being built right now. And the question is simple. Will you adapt or be replaced? Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and let's master the future together.